this short video, I will show you how to register for SuperOne and how to fund your account. So first, you must get the referral link of the person who invited you. You're going to click on it. It's going to take you to a page like this. You will see the referrer's name or username here that will let you know you're in the right place. You have two ways to register. You can register through WhatsApp or by using an email address. All right. Once you have entered your email address, you're going to click the arrow. All right. Now, the system has sent in a 6-digit code to your email, and you will need that code in order to get started. And this code will always change. Great. So the code was verified. Now you will create a password. Password must include one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character, and it must be at least 8 characters. Now you will click Save Password to save it inside of the system. All right, next. So now you're at the website. So what you're going to do now, you're going to click on the avatar in the upper right-hand corner so that you can complete the process. Let's click on that. And we'll start off with the username. You notice that there are numbers and characters here. You want to take those out and you want to create a username. All right. Once you have chosen a username, you will click this arrow to see if it's available. All right. That username already exists. So let's try another one. Okay. And that is good. So now you will enter your first name and your last name. System is saving it. So whenever you place an entry, the system will automatically save it. Now, when it comes down to your date of birth, it's best, you're going to click right here, a calendar is going to pop up. It's best to start off with the year. Now, when you click on the year, you will notice that there is a toggle in the lower right-hand corner here. You want to scroll up with that. That's how you get to the lower numbers. Okay, so let's go with this. Now you have your month, and now you can choose the date. All right, so now it'll save it, and this is European style. It starts with the day, then the month, and then the year. Okay, so it has your country in. It's got your email address, and of course, this is where you will come to change your password. All right, now the most important thing is that you must enter an external wallet, and that wallet is for XRP. So you're going to scroll down to payout. You're going to click these arrows. It will open up this side, and this is where you'll enter your external XRP address right here. And again, that address must have funds in it in order for you to connect it to this account. Once that is done, you can scroll down and you're going to click Update External Wallet. So I'm going to enter the XRP address. Now, once it is there, I will scroll down and I will click Update External Wallet. Click on that, and you will see that this will be approved. Now, whenever you change your wallet, there must be an email confirmation. And so I'm going to go get that confirmation and type it in here, and it will bind that wallet address inside of the system. Very good. So that is done. All right. So the next step is for you to fund this account. You're going to come up here, you're going to click on wallet, and you will notice you see deposit. Then you will click on deposit. It's going to provide you with an XRP address that you're going to send the XRP to, and it's also going to provide you with an XRP destination tag. Now, it's best to copy this address when you're using it, and it's also best to copy the destination tag whenever you're using it because you need both to be correct. Then you will go to your wallet, wherever you are sending, or your exchange, wherever you are sending the XRP from, and you will send it to this address, and you will include this destination tag. Once the funds have arrived in your account, it'll take maybe 5 or 10 minutes. It will show up in your balance. Now, once the funds have shown up in your balance, the first thing you're going to do is purchase the Creator Pack so that you can refer others and build a community going down multiple levels. So I'm going to click on Buy Creator Pack, and it's going to take me here where I can scroll down and I'll be able to choose the package that I want. All right. So if I were going to choose the gold pack, so I could be qualified to receive rewards down 6 levels, this is where I will come. And then I will click buy gold. It will confirm that I want to use $500 to make that purchase, and it will take the money out of my wallet. Now, you need to wait at least 30 minutes for it to process because what you need for your account to move from, you can see here, from free member to gold member. And only after your account has moved to gold member will you move forward and buy the agent pack. So remember, most people are going to purchase the gold creator pack for $500. But now when you get ready to purchase the agent pack, that's additional money. And so once this has turned to gold member because you made that $500 purchase of the creator pack, then you're going to go to the store and you're going to click on agent pack. All right. And so now you're going to scroll down and choose the agent pack of your choice. All right. So right now there's a promotion going on, which will end soon. But let's say that you come down and you want the Ultra pack. You're going to click on this. So you must have the $2,500 worth of XRP in your wallet. And when you do, it will allow you to purchase this. And then you are all set. From that point, you want to go get your referral link. You're going to click on invite. You can scroll down and you will find your referral link right here. And you can copy that and forward that to new team members. All right, so that concludes this tutorial. I hope that helps you get ready for an exciting adventure with SuperOne. Thank you for watching. All right, now there is one other point. You want to make sure that you use a custodial wallet, such as a Trust wallet, a SafePal, or even an Exodus wallet, in order to receive your earnings. All earnings are sent out automatically. You don't have to request them because this is all facilitated by the blockchain. Again, thank you for watching and make it a great day.